I'm going to do some stuffed mushrooms, and it's a very simple thing to be doing. These are the mushrooms, and all I'm going to do with these is just rub the oil on them, just so that they don't burn and wither in the oven. We don't want them desiccating, we would like them to cook. And that's all I'm doing with these. Then I'm going to strip the sausage meat out of the sausages, mix them with the onion, and put them back in and put them in the oven. And it's really that simple, but they do taste good. Really good. These have all been rolled in a little oil. Not vast amounts, but it's enough. Now, these are very meaty sausages. They're not made with a lot of filler, they're just pure meat sausages. If you can't find that, then use sausage meat of some description. But this is not a fatty, and it's real sausage meat. And the reason I have them like this is because I find them more convenient than buying sausage meat, because you can use them for so many things. It doesn't take very long to take it out. And we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we'll need about 4. You get about 2 mushrooms out of each chipolata. So it's pretty straightforward. And I've got the onion here. I think we need another one of these probably. You take a ball, make certain you pick up some onion with it, and just pop it in the top. I mean, that's not difficult, is it? Could take a little bit off these because they're very tall, and make another one there. There you are. That evens out a little bit. You can buy mushrooms that will match in size, and that works better, I suppose, but they cost more. These work out cheaper, and they taste just as good. So there you are. That's it. These I'm going to put in the oven, and they take about half an hour. The oven is hot. It's fan, and it's 175 degrees centigrade, and so these are just popping in. And we'll come back. Right, well, it's been half an hour, so we're going to take our mushrooms out, and as you can see, they've somewhat shrunken, and the sausages on top are cooked with the onion. That was a very, very simple recipe. Amazingly simple and tasty. And we're having them with some baked potatoes and cheese. Very, very simple. That makes the mushrooms taste better and makes the sausage taste better. It's just a very good combination. Improve both. Oh my goodness, yes it does.